Hey everyone, so it's been another month and Bench Tool Junkies has sent me another box of theirs. So I'm going to show you everything that came in it. This is also the last box I'll be getting while I'm living in California. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'll explain that in more detail. But anyways, here's everything that came in this month's box, which looks very limited compared to other ones, but there's some very helpful tools in this. So just like always, there's the actual pamphlet that tells you everything about what you're getting. And it's very handy for when you get stones, because for the most part, a lot of stones, you look at them and it could be a multiple of different options of what they could actually be. So it's nice to actually know that you're going to get some labradorite, or however you pronounce that, because I cannot pronounce it. So it also has a breakdown of all the different boxes and the different sizes and what you would have got for each one. This is a large box, so it has everything in it. So the first thing I'm going to go over is this, which is a tool that I already actually used. This is the lion claw, which holds your piece down as you're soldering and makes it really easy to solder stuff by just putting this on top of it. So you can move these little weights to put more or less pressure on your piece. I actually used this in a past video and I'll show a clip of that now. And the Lion Claw is actually made by Lion Punch Forge, which is the same person that made the engraving tip that I used in my last video. So yeah, he makes some very helpful and interesting products, and I've liked them so far, and they've come in really handy. I'll be using a lot more of them in the future, especially both of these. The other tool that came with this is this little hammer that is very light but very well constructed, and you'll notice that it has a nice polish on the ends. And this is made by Frets, and they make very nice hammers. That being said, this would be great for adding textures that are smooth to different rings or just different materials in general. And this will actually be the second one that I've gotten in these boxes, and this one I have used already and I actually really like it. So these are really good hammers. And last but not least, we have our stones. So like I said before, I can't pronounce these stones to save my life, but they are some of my favorite because it looks like you literally have magic stuck inside of stones. So I like anything that basically does that, like opals or moonstone or these. So that's basically it for this box. If you would like to get your own box of random tools every month, you can head over to benchtooljunkies.com and get yours there, and you can pick your size of box to get every month, or just once. It's up to you. But back to what I was talking about at the beginning of this video. I'm going to be moving out of state. I'm going to be actually moving to Spokane, Washington from California. So I need to pack everything, and I'm going to be driving everything there on the 4th of July. That being said, I need to clean up all of my stuff and pack it away so I can actually get it there. That means this is probably my last video unless something comes up until I am in my new place. I have a really nice place set up that I might actually be able to set up a proper studio and proper work area. So we'll see on when I get there. And you might also notice I've been doing a bunch of videos on just tools and not projects. And the reason for that is I've gotten a lot of tools in, and I wanted to explain the tools first before just doing projects with them and getting questions, being like, oh, what is that? That way I can just link back to that video about that one tool. So that's why I've been doing those, because I have a lot of those and I know I'm moving, so I need to get all that done so I can actually get back to doing projects and tutorials. Granted, I am still doing tutorial stuff with the tools. So once I move, this will become my full-time job. And that means I'm going to be putting out a lot more stuff, and I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to go through all the suggested video options that you guys suggested and try to get those done as I can. So I just wanted to explain what's going on, why there's not going to be content for a couple weeks, and why I've been doing so many videos that are not really focused on being tutorials like I used to. Just trying to get stuff out of the way, like I was saying. But anyways, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos of mine, there's a playlist here and a video up here that YouTube suggests for you. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.